Now let us move on to the triangles. So the first property is the angle sum property of triangle. According to this property, it states that the interior angles formed in the triangle, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we have the triangle PQR, and it has three angles 1, 2 and 3. So what we can write is that according to the property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Now this property can be proved with the help of two methods. The first method is the visual method, in which we can see that how these angles, when put together, they form perfect 180 degree angle. Another method by which we can prove is the mathematical method, in which we will be proving this property with the help of mathematical equations. Now we have a straight line, and what we'll do is we'll cut these angles as shown in the figure 1, 2 and 3, these three angles, and put them together and see if they form 180 degree or not. So we have the angle 1, then we have the angle 2, and then we have this angle 3. Now we see that these three angles, when put together, they form perfect 180 degrees. So thus we can intuitively say that the sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us do the mathematical proof of this property, that is the angle sum property of triangle. So now in order to prove this property, let me construct a line which touches the point P. So we have the line as line M, and this line M is parallel to QR. So what we can write is that since M is parallel to QR, therefore what we can say is that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So let me write angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles, and we also have that M is parallel to QR. And now similarly, angle 5 and angle 3. Now we have angle 3 is equal to angle 5 due to the same reason. Now M is a straight line, and therefore the angles formed will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. And now we have the two equations, and we can replace the terms. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Thus we can say that the angle sum property of the triangle holds, and the sum of the angles of the given triangle is 180 degrees.